This might be one of the easiest 52-foot motor yachts that you'll ever dock. And it's not just because it's a Hatteras. This one has been completely upgraded for how people actually use boats today. Or maybe you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo on the water. This might be an amazing option. Welcome to Aqua Terra, a beautiful 1993 Hatteras 52 motor yacht. Fully rebuilt Detroit diesels with just over 100 hours since rebuild. This boat's had over $250,000 invested in a refit, which includes those rebuilt Detroit diesels, new Garmin electronic suite, and a Dockmate remote docking system that lets you control the boat from anywhere on board. Hey guys, I'm Brent with Great Loop Yacht Sales, and on this channel we walk through some of the best boats on the market to help you find the right one for your adventure. If you enjoy boat tours, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more boats just like this coming your way. And when you step inside this one, you'll see why it's such an incredible liveaboard. Tons of space, 3 staterooms, 3 heads, and comfort that really feels like home. They have done such a beautiful job maintaining this vessel, but also the upgrades they've done make it stand out. So thank you for joining, and let's get aboard Aqua Terra, this 1993 Hatteras 52 motor yacht, currently moored in Wilmington, North Carolina. So, again, some of the major highlights and upgrades as we finish up our drone tour here. It's got twin Detroit diesel 8V92 engines that were fully rebuilt in 2023. The port was rebuilt at 1,791 hours and currently has 1,858 hours on that engine. And the starboard was rebuilt at 1,896 hours. 1,858 hours and now has 1,962 hours. Again, the engine rebuilds alone were $87,000. And then there's been an additional about $185,000 in upgrades to the vessel. Some of those upgrades include the Dockmate wireless remote control system, Glendenning electronic engine controls, 2 Garmin 8612 XSVs that were installed in 2025. It's got Starlink satellite internet. It's got a camera in the engine room, the aft deck, and the stern. Bottom paint was done in April of 2024, which included PropSpeed applied to all the running gear and propellers. It's got new AC units in the owner's stateroom that was done in April of 2024. And then they added ionizers on all the AC handlers. It's got new 8D batteries. Those were done in May of 2024. The generator's got 997 hours. It's a 20 kilowatt own-and generator. So excited to get you guys aboard this boat and just look around at the quality and construction of this Hatteras that is just absolutely gorgeous. So those 2 dock boxes here on the bow the covers are going to be repainted. So when you step aboard, that will be done for you. So that will look great as well. Beautiful hard top. We do have the ability to get this boat down, I believe, to around 16 feet 9 inches air draft. So definitely a loop capable boat. You've got shore power connections on both port and starboard of this vessel. We're going to do a quick turnaround. I want to enter the aft sun deck from the port side, so we're going to turn around and go back real quick. Just real quick run back around. But these wide side decks, these high rails, give you a lot of security. And again, with the ability to maneuver the boat with the Dockmate system, you could be standing here on the bow and maneuvering the boat and handling lines. Really impressive. Actually, all those drone videos that you just saw were all done with the Dockmate controller. Love the boarding stairs, and you can connect those on the sides of the boat. You also have a nice boarding ladder at the stern. All right, here we go. You guys ready for this? Look at how beautiful this space is. This aft sun deck is such an amazing place to relax. This is fully air conditioned and heated, just really extending the usability of this boat. You've got this beautiful picture frame TV. We're going to spin around and see it here in just a second, but just a These windows do slide open as well. But just how gorgeous is this? Here's the AC unit I was talking about out here. I'll also give you some AC up on the Flybridge if you'd like. Really nice flat screen TV that will do the photos. And this has the sidebar option. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but you can choose your favorite beverages down below, and you place that, and that will pump those liquids up to your cup. Just a really neat add-on and fun for entertaining as well. But just an absolutely gorgeous space here in this aft cockpit or aft sun deck. Let's head up to the Flybridge. So up just a couple steps here, and all this the coverings on all the cushions and everything are in great shape. And here we are at this new updated helm. All these switches have been redone. There's your Dockmate remote controller, your bow thruster control there. You've got a Simrad autopilot. You've got these two Garmin's. I'm showing off some of the cameras right now that you have access to. There's also cameras down the sides of the boat. Really, really beautiful. Just done so well. And I want to sneak down here and see if I can show you all the switches and everything that have been done. The Glendinning electronic controls. I did the loop in 2020 with my family, and those are the controls I had on my boat, and man, are they nice. The ability, and we've got AIS and our charts there, also radar. And then this whole panel's been redone and just so nicely done. So just really turnkey boat, ready to go cruising. Love the footstools on these helm chairs. Absolutely spectacular. So, you think, oh, this is a 93 Hatteras. This is a 93 Hatteras like no other. It really has been invested in and is absolutely beautiful. And we haven't even stepped inside yet. So we'll head down the stairs. You've got that AC that can come up here. It's got a baffle on it, so you can cut this area off or have it on. You do have your crane and some chocks up there for a tender if you would like as well. Isinglass is in great shape up here as well. So really a beautiful boat that has been so well cared for. I just can't get over this area and how beautiful this is. So, so gorgeous. Well, boat traffic passing us there off our starboard side. All right, well, let's get down into this boat and go through this salon that has been redone. So we've got new carpet throughout, all new floor coverings. Just absolutely beautiful. Just tastefully done. If you did not like this furniture, though, you could easily put something different in here, but just nice, open, airy, light, bright, and beautiful here in the salon and galley area. And the big project was done. They had to remove one of these windows to get that new residential size refrigerator in. And so you'll see that you got a flat screen TV here, wine cooler built in. Did a nice job. And then you've got some storage and a cabinet right beside it. Really, really so tastefully done. These are quartzite countertops, so they look like quartz, but they're lightweight. Really feel great. They feel like real stone. They're absolutely gorgeous. This beautiful LG refrigerator here, and the flooring in the galley, this dinette that's been done, and the fabrics. I mean, guys, it just takes my breath away. This is a beautiful boat. I feel very lucky and blessed to be able to have this listing for Aqua Terra. Melee dishwasher, 2-burner electric cooktop. This really cool KitchenAid microwave. There is an oven that's actually stored up in the forward berth that we'll see, but that is just a microwave, but it's really nice. And then this fridge, so nice, so nice. This boat is ready to cruise long distances, hang out in the Bahamas, or be an awesome liveaboard. I love this large stainless sink, and then this really cool faucet that they installed that kind of moves around, and it's got like a couple different actuator spots on it, but neat because it fits under the counter as it should. So great space in this galley where you could whip up some incredible meals. And then these cabinets, soft close cabinets installed and built, lighting in them as well, just for extra storage. Just really did a nice job on those. So really a custom refit on a beautiful, beautiful boat. And they just don't build, these aft cabin motor yachts anymore. Here on our starboard side, we've got this great Whirlpool washer dryer, separate, stackable unit. Very nice. I've heard just great feedback on these units and how well they work. And here we are in the forward VIP. I love the painted bottom cabinets there, and just so classic and stylish. Here's this oven I was telling you off our starboard side. But great storage up here. Nice new hatch up above that window, and then it has a blackout curtain if you would like that to get a little extra sleep, or a screen pullover on it. And then we've got this gorgeous ensuite head, and I just absolutely love flat screen TV there. But in the ensuite head, I love the wallpaper they used. It's just really, really pretty. The decorator that did this boat did a phenomenal job. Absolutely gorgeous. Separate shower with a little bench. So your guests will be extremely happy with the amount of storage that they'll have and their accommodations. So let's keep looking around. But that is the bow, galley, and salon. These stairs do lift right here for engine room access, but then there's also a hatch. So you've got a couple different ways that you can access the engine room, which is really nice. And there's great headroom down there. We'll go down in just a little bit. Let's finish off the inside of the boat. I really do love this classic, beautiful couch and table. It's just nice. It's just a nice space here. Oh, let's take a look at the electrical panels here. So we've got 12 and 24 volt, and then we've got 110 and 220. And so we've got two panels. One is here under the TV. The other is on the other side in this corner. So I'll move the chair out of the way. And then we've got AC distribution panel here. That's battery switches and so forth, what we saw just a second ago. We've got a full listing on greatloopyachtsales.com, so you can check out our website for all the listing details. Here's our 12 volt or 24 panel as well, distribution. And so you can check out greatloopyachtsales.com for the full listing, pricing information, etc. on the boat. We keep that updated. If the boat moves, the locations will change, etc. But the boat currently is Wilmington, North Carolina. And down the aft companionway here on our starboard side, we'll take a look in here. This is a really cute bunk room, twin bunks. I love what they did with this wood. They just refinished it and kind of left it natural. Just looks like a fun beach house, right? I picture just think it's gorgeous, right? Just really modernizes a 1993 boat. We've got a big closet in this room as well. But I just think they did such a nice job. All the closets on the boat, or most all the closets, are going to be cedar lined, just like this one. We've got a tremendous closet coming up in the owner's stateroom. I can't wait to show you guys that. But this is just such a nice little bunk room. If you are going to have kids and so forth, there's room on the floor for games and toys, and just a great space. Also love the wallpaper and the tasteful design in this head as well. So this is one of three heads. We have that forward berth head, this head, and then one in the master as well. So just terrific layout. Here we are entering the owner's stateroom. And I just can't get over how beautiful it is. It really is gorgeous. Fabric across the top. Just really well decorated. Headliners are all in great shape. Sneak peek into the owner's ensuite with the bathtub or full shower. It just makes for a great shower. It gives you lots of space. All the beautiful woodwork and millwork, new faucets. All the plumbing's been updated, toilets have been updated. Freshwater systems have gotten upgrades. Flat screen TV, smart TV here. And a beautiful, huge walk-in closet with cedar lined with this shelving down the side too. I just think they did just such a great job. Again, refinishing all this wood. Absolutely spectacular. So you can tell Aqua Terra is not your typical 52 Hatteras motor yacht. It has really been upgraded. Well, let's go down and see the mechanical space of this boat. And so we will sneak down into this little hatch here. Again, you can go through the stairs as well, but we're going to go through the day hatch, and there's a nice big ladder. As you can tell, just kind of headroom. That ladder has about 5 rungs on it to get you down into this space. And these are the Detroits that have been rebuilt. Toolboxes. Here's your 20 kilowatt generator. Again, 997 hours on the generator. And then just let me make sure I'm telling you correctly on the hours as well, just to make sure we've got that correct. The port was rebuilt at 1,791 hours. It now has 1,896 hours. And the starboard was rebuilt at 1,858 hours and now has 1,962 hours. And those rebuilds were done in 2023. So, but just a great space to come in and what you see on the boat. I think there's a couple, not much personal items that are going to leave. A couple maybe security cameras that they've got aboard. But other than that, those will go. But everything else is going to stay. All of our AC handlers back here, you can see that some of these have been updated. And then that ionization system really cuts down if you are sensitive to boat smell. This boat smells and looks really, really clean. Really, really good. So pretty special boat for sure. So great. So my name's Brent Bolin, again with Great Loop Yacht Sales. If I can show you this boat in person, I would love to meet you in Wilmington, get you aboard, and let you see Aqua Terra. Give me a call. I can answer any questions as well. Check out our website and our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. But thank you so much for logging in today and watching Aqua Terra. Have a great day.